Hello, my beautiful soul. I never loved anyone. I never loved anyone as I loved you, my beautiful darling dear. Since the time you left me, I have lost all my cheer. My days are not the same. My night is gloomy. It is because of you, my sweet, lovely wife seems lost in the tide. My days are not the same, my sweet love. Without you, I am nothing alive. I truly adored you. I truly adored you from my heart, my baby. From the start, my darling. Then why? Why did you leave me alone this way? Life looks like a stone without emotions in heart, my dear. Without emotions in heart, a person who intentionally avoids you, my baby, ignores you, and hurts you, my dear sweet, might sometimes be an indication she is damn scared to fall in love with you, my dear sweet. Fighting with the world, fighting with the world is easy. You either win or lose, my dear. But fighting with a loved one is difficult, my baby. Is difficult if you lose. If you lose, you lose, and even if you win, you lose everything in your life, my dear. Thanks for watching. Like and share.